Good morning, children. Yesterday we have started exercise 6.4 and we have done first 5 questions. So let us do the next question. Question number 6. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. Since the area of a square is side square, so let us take the side of the square be x, then the area of square becomes x square. We are given that x square is equal to 441. So x will be under root of 441. Now we will find the square root of 441. 41 will become one pair and 4 is another. So we will find a number which when multiplied by itself gives you this number 4. So that is 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 gives you 4. Then the next note down the next pair, that is 41, and write down uh, twice of this quotient here, and the twice of quotient is 4, so we write down 4. Then we have to write down 1 here, so that 41 multiplied by 1 gives you 41. So the square root of 441 is 21. So the side of the square is 21 meter. The next one is, in a right triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. If AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is 8 cm, find AC. Here angle B is given 90 degree and AB is 6 cm, BC is 8 cm. We have to find AC. So we can find it using the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem says that the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So we have AC square equal AB square plus BC square. AB is 6, so 6 square, and BC is 8, so we have 8 plus 8 square. So we get 100. So AC will be square root of 100 and the square root of 100 is 10. So the hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. Next question. A gardener has 1,000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that number of rows and the number of columns remain same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. Since number of rows and number of columns remain same, so let us take the number of rows as x, then number of columns will also be x. So the total number of plants will be x multiplied by x, that is x square. And we are given that x square is equal to 1000. So x will be equal to under root of 1000. So we will find the square root of 1000. It is not a perfect square, but we will find that number which will be subtracted from it so that it becomes a perfect square number. So we make the pairs and we have to find a number whose square is less than 10 and that number is 3. So we write down 3 in divisor as well as in quotient and we get 9 here. 3 3s are 9. Then remainder is 1 and we note down the next pair, that is 0 0. Then we write down the double of this number quotient and twice of this quotient is 6, so we write down 6 and then we have to write down here 1, so that 61 multiplied 1 gives you 61. So we have to find a number so that when it is written here and is multiplied with the same number, you get a number less than 100. So it will be 1. So 1 in the quotient also you have to write down 1 and then 61 1 is 61. Remainder is 39. Now it shows that this 1000 is greater than the square of 31. And the next number is 32 and 32 square is 1024. So the difference of these two must be added to the given number, and the difference is 24. So we should add 24 to 1000 so that it becomes the perfect square number. So more 24 we can say is the minimum number of plants required by him. That's all for today. Thank you.